Morning, ma'am. हमने कभी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देती है।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Those who are attending online classes, offline classes, all of you, welcome back to class. Okay, yesterday we ended our class. I gave you some, questions. Quickly tell me the answers. I have already explained you rule 1 and rule 2. Remember? Those who have not attended online classes, neither they watch the videos, I can't help you. Very important for you to attend classes because we are not going to repeat the same thing. If you are providing online facility, also recording is being provided. How is it possible for me to explain things twice? Anyway, but listen carefully. Yesterday we were discussing narration, direct and indirect speech. Okay? We were discussing narration, direct and indirect speech. What rule 1 says? Rule 1 says that if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, then the tense of reported speech will not change at all. Fine. Second rule has said that if reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in present tense, then it will change according to its corresponding tense. Corresponding, okay, similar. Like simple present statement will change into simple past. Present continuous will change into past continuous. Present perfect will change into past perfect. And present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Clear? I gave you 4 statements. Okay, one by one, tell me the answers. Children, whoever is attending online classes, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. Tanushri, first sentence. Tell me. So height, hid, hidden. You all know 3 forms of height, V1, V2, V3. Online children, am I audible to you? Raise your hands. Am I audible to you? Okay, fine. So why you are not answering? So he said that means it was a simple present tense which was changed into simple past. Okay, tell me the another sentence. Okay. Sit down. So second sentence was my mother is preparing delicious. Yes, he said that the girl hid her chocolate in the box. Okay. So now second statement. Who will tell me the answer? Aryan. He told. Acha, why did you change said into told? Is there any object? Don't do this. If there is no object, okay, told is also correct. But generally, when we use told, when we have an object, he said to her. Okay. Then you can simply say he told her. Fine. But if there is no object, then no need to change the said to tell. Okay, he said that his mother was preparing delicious food for his birthday. Clear? Tell me the third sentence. Very good, children. They all are writing Sanvi and yes, Soumya, Sanvi. Very good. He said that his mother was preparing delicious. Okay, tell me the third answer. At least tell me the sentence. Yes, Aryan. Tell me the sentence first. Okay. So, Sanvi, why you are in hurry? Okay. He said that.
He said that he had to submit English project work today.
Today changes into
that he had to submit English project that day.
That day. Today changes into that day. Okay. The last sentence. Very good. So clear it is. Last statement. They said that we have been playing for 2 months now. Who will tell me? Anyone in the class? You did not attend yesterday's narration class? Great children.
No change.
No change? Who is saying this? No change. Who is saying this? They said that they had been playing for 2 months then. Okay. Who said no change? Definitely it will change, my dear. Why? Because the reporting verb is in past tense. So if the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in present tense, reporting verb and reported speech. What is reporting verb? Some children, they neither attend online class, bas aa gaye. How will you be able to understand? What is reporting verb? What is reported speech? Who will tell me what is reporting verb and what is reported speech? You know it? Yesterday you were present in the class. I saw you. Roshan. You are Roshan. Huh? Sandeep. Batao. Do you know the difference between reporting verb and reported speech? Online class क्यों नहीं करते हो? When all the facility has been given to you, why? एक दिन आने से क्या होगा? We have been asked to continue the chapter. Otherwise, the syllabus will not be complete. अब कल की बात तो फिर मैं नहीं बताऊंगी ना. बैठे रहो ऐसे. I won't do anything. Sorry. Okay, so let's move to rule 3. And who is this boy? ये कौन है? Vatsal Singh, mute yourself. Vivek Kumar, mute yourself. Vatsal Singh. Vatsal, Priyanshu Ranjan, Pushkar Ojha, mute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Okay, sit down. I won't be able to help you. If you don't know the difference between reporting verb and reported speech, sorry, go and watch the video at least. Okay, now move to rule 3. Rule 3. Write down. Now here the problem will start. It's not very tough, but you should know about it. See, write down. If the reporting verb, write down children, if the reporting verb and reported speech, if the reporting verb and reported speech, they both are in past tense, then the changes will be as follows. If the reporting, now see children, what was the first rule? Reporting verb, present or future tense. Reported speech, any tense. Okay? Then we move to rule 2, where we had this privilege that reporting verb, past tense, reported speech, present tense. Now you are going to observe that reporting verb also in past tense and reported speech also past tense. दोनों तरफ past tense हो गया. Then the changes will be as follows. Now note it down. Who is this fellow? Why is he not muting his? Aditya Kumar 9D, I will remove you from the class. Please maintain this decorum. It's so noisy and chaotic. Okay, so now listen how the changes will occur. Listen carefully. Okay? Simple past will change into
To past perfect.
very good. Past perfect. Simple past will change into past perfect. That means subject plus V2 will change into subject plus
Subject plus had plus V3.
plus V3. Very good. And then past continuous.
To past perfect continuous.
Yes, past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. That means subject plus was, were plus V4 will change into subject plus had plus been plus V4. This is clear? Look at the board, note it down. This is rule 3. Rule 3. That if the reporting verb and reported speech, they both are in past tense. You all know this. But once again, I'm reminding you. Okay? Then what will happen? The changes will be as follows. Means simple past will change into past perfect. That means subject plus V2 will change into subject plus had plus V3. Past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. That means subject plus was, were plus V4 will change into subject plus had plus been plus V4. Okay? Note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see. And clear? And past perfect. Past perfect. If the sentence is past perfect or past perfect continuous.
And there will be no change.
Yes. No change. No change. Past perfect or past perfect continuous sentence will not change. Other changes will be applicable, like yesterday will change into the previous day, okay, or maybe, but there will be no change in tense. Now clear? Okay. I'm giving you 4 sentences again. 4 sentences again, change it. Chalo. First sentence. He said, he said, he said, they went to watch a movie yesterday. They went to watch a movie yesterday. Next sentence. So, grammar. Third sentence. He said, My teacher
Now repeat it
had
again.
been, last sentence, he said, comma, within inverted comma, my teacher had been teaching me for 2 years. My teacher had been teaching me for 2 years. My teacher had been teaching me for 2 years. Clear? Now change it immediately. I want the answers. Children, those who are sitting there at their places comfortably, you can also write in the chat box.
Said that they
Do not speak. Mute yourself. Who is this? And write your answers in chat box. I'm reading your answers. Okay, so I got the first answer, Sarthak, 9C. Very good, correct answer. Rest of you. Sarthak, your answer is correct. Sanvi, one mistake you have committed. In the middle of the sentences, you have used the capital letter. And yesterday will change into the previous day. So you missed the also. Sarthak. Mistake, beta. Incorrect sentence, Sarthak. Your sentence is incorrect. You have, okay, it was a typing mistake. Soumya Chaudhary. Yes, your answer is correct. Anyone who is sitting here, offline children, raise your hands. First sentence. No, not Aryan and Tanushree will not give all the answers. I want other children to speak. Pushkar Ojha. Your sentence is incorrect. Manvi. Correct. But you have missed the previous day. Sarthak, now your sentence is correct. Okay. And the children sitting here in the class. No, you will not answer all the answers. Sorry. Other children? Tell me if you are not able to understand. I don't know why you are not able to make. Come on, convert it. Yes, Sanvi, your answer is correct. Yes, correct. Abhay, first answer. Tell me the first answer. Wow, no change. I asked you to change. Globe. Okay. What did I say? I asked you that if the reported speech is in simple past, then it will change into which tense? Past perfect, and he hasn't changed. Very simply, I have explained you. Yes, Manvi, your answer is Soumya, your answer is correct. And who is this? They. Sanvi, please don't use capital letters in the middle of the sentence. Sanvi, be careful. Your marks will be deducted if you will commit these type of mistakes. Sanvi, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so don't, you have not, they means the T will be small because you are connecting reporting verb and reported speech. Yes, Sarthak, your answer is correct. No, 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 your answer is incorrect. Sarthak, again, be careful. एक लेमैन का लैंग्वेज बताऊं मैं तुम लोगों को. इन एनी सर्कमस्टांसेस, किसी भी सर्कमस्टांसेस में, सॉरी बैठ जाओ, आई वोंट बी एबल टू एक्सप्लेन यू. Which language you want me to explain? I'm sometimes unable to understand. He said that he had, okay. Now listen children, एक layman की समझो, if the reporting verb is in past tense, तो reported speech कभी भी present tense में नहीं होगा, कभी नहीं, in no circumstances. Sarthak, don't do these mistakes, okay? They had went, पुष्कर ओझा, ये had went कहां से आ गया? पुष्कर ओझा, they had went कभी सुना है? had के साथ क्या लगेगा? had के साथ कौन सा verb form लगता है? V3.
V3.
तो फिर had V2 कौन लगाया है? ये had went. पुष्कर ओझा, you have not attended those classes where I explained you the rules of tense. Oof. Why did I explain you tense? Because I want you to know the rules of tense first, and then it will be good for you to understand the rules of narration. Had went. Oof. मत करो मुझे तंग तुम लोग. I will go crazy if you are going to commit these type of mistakes. Okay, tell me the first answer. Anyone except these two children.
Ma'am, online or offline?
Anyone? Okay, you mute yourself because most of the children, they have written correct answer. I'm happy. Okay. Speak up the answer. Online children also you may speak. Unmute yourself. Jaldi bolo. We don't have time.
First answer, he said
Hmm.
that they had gone to watch a movie. That
Okay,
previous
very
day.
good. Well, stop. Yes. So the very first answer is, tell me, you. You tell me. Is there any problem? Girls, tell me the answer. Why you were not raising your hands? Do you need a special invitation? Or you think, oh, these answers are so simple that I don't need to answer it? No. So what will be the correct answer? चलो answer तो लिख लो, लेकिन समझ नहीं, जो नहीं समझ पाए हैं, बिना previous class attend किए, you will never be able, tense नहीं पढ़ा, one day you are coming, एक दिन बस पिकनिक मनाने स्कूल पहुंच गए. Since we have no other option, alternate day ही आना है. That's why we are giving you the facility of online class. लेकिन दूसरे दिन घर में जाके सो जाते हो. Today you have come to the class and I will explain maybe the 20% of anything. Next day फिर 20% में पढ़ाऊंगी तो सो जाना. फिर अगले दिन पिकनिक बनाने पहुंच जाना. So how will you be able to understand? This is correlated. And then you will keep on standing. Oof, disgusting. Why you not watch the videos? Why we are taking so much pain? Offline, online, both. Online children, only 30 children are there in the class. At least there should be 200 students. कम से कम 100 तो होने चाहिए. And they don't even watch videos. 45 or 46 views are there. So we will never be. और सोचते हो YouTube से पढ़ लेंगे. अगर YouTube से इतना पढ़ने का शौक है, तो बिना ग्रामर के रूल्स के क्यों 1.5 साल था तुम्हारे पास, क्यों नहीं YouTube से पढ़ के आ गए सारा ग्रामर? पूरा पढ़ के आना चाहिए था ना. सॉरी, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग एक में ये म्यूट कर रही हूँ, यहाँ डांटना है मुझे सब.
मैम आप म्यूट हैं।
मैं म्यूट हूं because I did not want to record the things I am telling to my children. So listen children, if you are only coming school alternate day just to spend time, then I'm sorry you will never be able to understand. Sit down. Why you are standing? Don't irritate me. तो समझना ही नहीं है बच्चों को. Okay, tell me the second sentence. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
1 minute. Huh? Take out your mask and speak loudly. Is it correct? What is the mistake? हाँ. Other than that, tense is correct. Sit down. Yeah, who want to speak the next answer? Online children? See, I have to. Huh. No,
He
someone
said
was
that-
there. Sarthak, you say. Sarthak, you speak. He
He
raised his hand.
said, he said that his teacher had been explaining him the rules of grammar.
His teacher had been explaining him the rules of grammar. Why? Because the present past continuous sentence change into past perfect continuous. Okay, tell me the third sentence. I'm still waiting for some extra fellow. Okay, online
said
children.
that he had completed the group project work.
Okay, so there will be no change. So the sentence will remain same. Yes, now you may speak. Yeah, he said that they had completed the group project work. Okay, last sentence. Okay, very good. Online children, who will tell me the answer of last sentence?
He said
He's-
that his teacher had been teaching him for
Had
2 years.
been teaching him
Okay,
for 2
okay,
years.
okay. So very good. All the answers are correct. जो समझना चाहते हैं वो समझेंगे. Listen, children. If all of a sudden you are coming to the class and you want me to explain you everything every day, it is possible. पहले correlate करो. Tense. In the previous classes, I explained you the rule of tense. समझ रहे हो? Types of tenses, sentences, and thereafter we move to narration. That's why I'm asking you कि भाई this sentence will change into this. अब तुम्हें पता ही नहीं है ये sentence का formula क्या है, तो how will you be able to change it? Okay, now write down rule number 4. ऐसे तो 3 ही rule है, लेकिन 4 मैं लिखवा देती हूँ. देखो, if the reporting verb is in past tense, if the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in future tense, and the reported speech is in future tense, then changes will be as follows. Then changes will be as follows. अब लिखो, will and shall, will/shall will change into would. Will/shall. हाँ, नहीं, should नहीं, should is a model. Will and shall will change into would. Can.
दोनों ही बोर्ड में हो जाएगा.
Yes. Can, could. बहुत सारे grammar book में देखोगे should, लेकिन नहीं. Should is actually a pure model. Can, could, may, might. Yes, etc. Whatever. Now model auxiliaries जो भी होंगे, they will change according to its uses. Clear? And example ले लो. He said they will finish the job they will finish the job on Monday. They will finish the job on Monday. Tell me the answer.
He said that they would
Hmm.
finish the job on Monday.
Another sentence, he said. He said, comma, inverted comma, he can control the entire class. He can control the entire class. Yes, yes, Sanvi, you are correct. Now tell me next sentence.
He said
Write down the
that he
answer.
could control the entire class.
Very good. He said that he could control the entire class. Very good. Okay, so tomorrow, children, please do attend online classes. Offline children will next set will come, because I am going to explain you how to change into. Achha, tomorrow there is no English class. Okay, so day after tomorrow, Friday, I will be explaining you how to change interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. Clear? कल मैं बताऊं, मतलब next class में I will explain you how to change interrogative sentences into indirect form of speech. So don't miss the class, otherwise the same problem will occur. If the rules are not clear, you will never be able to write down correct answer. So, okay, class over online, children. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank